One of the recipes that I'm really good at making is classic Thanksgiving stuffing. I've been making this recipe for years. It always goes viral on my Pinterest and my Instagram page. I've even been asked by the local news to make this on television a couple times. It's that good. The full recipe is linked above the caption with all the measurements and all the ingredients. Just tap that little teal button that says see full recipe. Basically, it's finely minced mushrooms, onions, and celery. And yes, you can leave the mushrooms out if you're not a fan of mushrooms. Crumbled sausage, and all kinds of seasoning and herbs like celery salt, celery seeds, sage, poultry seasoning, lots of black pepper. I cube up French rolls really small to make sure there's enough surface area for this delicious filling to kind of soak into those bread cubes. I add a little bit of butter and kind of let this sit and hang out together. And then I whisk up a cup of milk with 2 eggs to kind of help this all set as it bakes in the oven. It really comes together beautifully. If you're the kind of person that likes to put your stuffing in the bird, this goes great in the bird as well. I love that I can serve this with a crown roast of pork or a roast beef or pork chops or chicken, and especially with that beautiful Thanksgiving turkey. I put it in a 13x9 baking pan that's been greased up with some butter. I add a little bit of butter to the top and some more herbs. Bake it at 375 degrees for about 45 minutes. On the top, you've got those crispy bits. The inside is soft and luscious. Once again, the full recipe is linked above the caption. I hope you give it a try. This is also just a perfect fall meal, so who needs to wait for Thanksgiving?